In this how-to video, we're going to review holes and threads. In this part, I have to add a couple of holes. Let's start that process. On Create, I'm going to go to Hole. I could also use H on the keyboard. Select the face where I want the hole to start. Then I'm going to go to the front view and just move that around. You can see that center point of the arc, and that's where I want the center of the hole to be. Looking at the hole dialog box, there are a number of hole types. I'm staying with the simple hole type. I'm going to change the diameter of the hole. Change it from 8 millimeters to 9. Change the extents to 2. I could have used all. I'm just going to rotate that around, select the back face. That's good. Then you can see the profile of the hole. Click OK to complete the process. You can see that's been added to the timeline. If I need to go back and edit that, I can. Back to Create, Hole, same face, and again, move that image to the center of the hole. In this case, I don't want to create the simple hole type, but instead a counterbore. So there's more information to be input. The diameter in this case will not be 9, but 8. I have to input the counterbore depth. I'll set that to 6 millimeters, and the diameter is fine at 13. The extents of 2 is good. You can see those other options there. Again, using the view cube, rotate that around and select the face. And you can see that counterbore hole profile. Let's have a look at that. So just using Orbit, so you can see the counterbore on the left-hand side and effectively a drilled hole on the right. It'd be nice to add threads to that counterbore hole, just to the drilled hole part on the right-hand side. So select that area. We have some options. One is called Model. I'll come back to that in a moment. And everything else is fine. Click OK. Let's zoom into that. And that's actually an image of a threaded hole. I'm going to be 3D printing this model, so I right-clicked on my timeline, checked off Modeled, then click OK. Now that's actually a threaded hole, so when I 3D print this, it'll be correct.